I've got a winter Goldie box, so if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit and Dexter are all in the other room. It's actually feeding time at the zoo here, so all of the pets are eating, and Chloe just got home from school, so she is tired and she wants to hang out with Dexter. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, baggings, get ready with me's, fashion, collabs, Dollar Tree stuff, hauls, all kinds of stuff like that, mystery boxes. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I actually still have my fall Goldie box sitting on my phone. I'm probably going to upload it the same day I upload this. So it's kind of like you can catch up with Goldie box and what's going on. So Goldie box is put out by a YouTuber, Jess, over at Everything Proof, and she really has got a lot going on right now. She's a one-woman operation. So for the winter box, what she decided to do was just to put something together. No choices. Here's what I've got. Either you want it or you don't want it, and up to you. So if you're a current subscriber, you wouldn't get charged for it unless you went in and actually purchased it, which is what I did, because she did post some spoilers and I was pretty interested in what was in there and was excited to give it a try. So let's get into it so I can show you. Now there is a limited number of boxes available. She may or may not have sold out. I'm not really sure, but you can check out her Everything Proof website. Well, actually it's her Goldieboxed website. So you could check that out and see if she has any available if this is something you're interested in. I do not recall the price point either, but I feel like it was less than I usually pay for my Gold Bear box, because I think it's something like 8 items. Now, everything that you get in a Goldie box is going to be vegan, or not vegan, I'm sorry, cruelty-free. There will be some vegan items, but not everything will be. But everything, every cosmetic, every product that she chooses, she does make sure that it is cruelty-free. She sometimes has companies with causes. When there is a little description flyer, she usually asterisks that, but she doesn't always put what their cause is. She herself does 1 tree planted for every box sold. So she herself is a company with a cause. Every season comes with different tissue wrap that's seasonally appropriate, and there's no sticker on it. So if yours arrives in pretty good shape, that's a little something extra for the next time you got to wrap. All right, so I don't see like a little description thing, so I'm not really sure about what companies have a cause or not. But the first thing that I thought was really cute were these puzzle coasters. So this is kind of what she considered to be her family-friendly item. There's usually, when there are choices, there is always a family-friendly item when there's choices. So she put this in there as kind of a shout out to that. So what these are, right, is word puzzles. So this would be just between you and me. No pun in 10 did, because there are 10 dids. So this is the word issue written 10 times. 10 issue. 10 issue. All right, and here we have M1Y, L1, L1, F1E. So there are 4 ones in here, 4 ones in my life, for once in my life. So pretty cute, right? Little conversation starters. Not really kids, but family friendly. And I'm not sure if different people got different puzzles. I'm not really sure. And you can always use coasters. Next, by Upcycle, which is a brand that we see a lot in her box. And this brand uses a lot of upcycled products. So for instance, Blueberry skins is something they use. Coffee grounds is something they use. So this is their scalp and hair oil with bakuri butter and castor oil, plus rosemary and sweet almond. So it's a reparative pre-wash treatment that strengthens, softens, and restores shine to dry, damaged, or frizz-prone hair, enriched with upcycled coffee oil and bakuri butter, antioxidant-rich rosemary, and nourishing sweet almond oil. This blend deeply conditions while supporting strand health. So you're going to leave it in for 20 minutes, and then you want to rinse it and then shampoo, and use this 2 to 3 times a week as needed. And it says, bonus tip, wrap hair in a warm towel while the hair oil is on to help the nourishing botanicals absorb more deeply. So you can throw your towel in the dryer. If you have like one of those little hair wraps, or in the dryer for a few minutes, get it nice and warm, put it on. Or if you have a towel warmer, you can use that too. All right, next is this adorable winter hat. And this just looks so warm and soft. It feels very soft. It's got the cute pom-pom. And days like today, this is a good day to have a hat like this, because it was like 19 degrees at the like midpoint of the day when it got the warmest. All right, next there is a little candle. This is, who is this by? The Yorkshire Candle Company. And everybody got, well, I don't know, there was like it was mixed. Like you just got what you got, whatever box she grabbed for you, not knowing anything about you. She just grabbed the box, sent it out. So different boxes had different scents. I'm sure there was like a variety, but not like 50 different scents. And so this one is this cedarwood and vanilla. Not a fan of this. I am going to pass this on. I don't typically like the cedarwood, the sandalwood, that sort of thing. So that's okay though. Somebody else will enjoy it. Next, we have this roller fitness for your foot. So you put this under your foot and you roll it when your feet hurt, and it's going to provide some relief for those aching dogs you got. And I don't know if the brand is Roller Fitness. It also says it improves alignment and posture. Next, we have some jewelry, really pretty. This might have had a variety of beads too, I'm not sure. So this is gold with an amethyst color bead, and it's just a cute little bracelet. It fits every wrist because it is adjustable, although I imagine if you have a very small wrist, it may seem a little big. Next, by Studio, we have some reusable under eye patches, which is great because you're just going to take the serum you already have and you're going to put that under your eyes. So here they are. And again, you're just going to put these on over your serum. Now you can use it like this, or you can use it the other way. You can also use it up here. You can also use them right there, right around the mouth. So great product. I do have a pair, but it's nice to have an extra pair because this way I can do 2 areas at once. Then by Bella Pierre, we have this Get Cheeky palette. So this is going to be for your cheeks, obviously. So some really pretty shades, like how this one has, like, this is taped down, it's hard to get to, but it has like different shades in there. So some bronzer, some blush, some highlighter, some little mix right there. And then last is a journal. This is, it's called a Lay Flat Journal by Denick. So really pretty design inside. It's blank paper, so you could use this to draw, you can use it to write notes, whatever you want to do with it. And it should, I don't want to press it out, but it should kind of lay flat. All right, so that is my winter Goldie box. If you're interested, go check out her site over at Goldieboxed, see if she has any left. I don't believe you have to be a subscriber to get one of these. She's never said that you have to be a regular subscriber, And if you are a regular subscriber, you don't have to get this one. It's totally up to you. When she runs out, she runs out. And we'll stay tuned to see what's going to happen for spring. Okay, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.